Hello everyone and welcome back to DevOps HQ. In this video we are going to see that how we can see the logs of our VS Code extension such that if we have to troubleshoot any issue or any error of our extension, then we were able to do that. So for checking the VS Code extensions we have two methods. So let's explore each of them one by one. So the first method that we have is using our terminal. So just go to the terminal and click on new terminal. So it will basically open a new terminal for us, and you can use keyboard shortcut as well to open this terminal, and go to this output tab, and here you will see the logs of your extensions. So whatever extensions do you have, you will be able to see the logs of your extensions here, and you can select the extensions using this drop down menu. So these are all of the extensions which I have in my system, and in case if you have more extensions, then you will be able to see the name of those extensions into this list. So let's suppose if I want to see the list of my GitHub, then I just have to choose the GitHub and it will show all the logs which has been generated through this extension. Similarly, let's suppose if I want to check the extensions of my ID, that is me. So if I click on that, then it will show the logs of my ID. So whosever extensions log you want to see, you just have to click on that extension and you are able to see the logs of that extensions here only. Now the other options that we have is the developer options. So just go to the help here and click on this toggle developer tools. So if you click on that, then it will open a window something like this, and here just go to this console tab, and here you will see the logs of your extension. So all the logs which has been generated by your extension you will be able to see here. And also if you want to filter your logs, then you can use this search box here and you will be able to filter your logs as per your need. So these are the two methods through which we can see the logs of our VS Code extension. So I hope this video was useful for you, and thanks for watching.